What's up, you guys? It's Christiana. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today's video, I'm going to be opening my package that I got from Ladybug Bangles. You can go follow them on Instagram and go shop with them as well. So if you're watching this, congratulations on 20K, and I know that you're gonna hit so many more milestones. Keep it up. Before this video starts, I want to let you guys know that I am by any means not sponsored or an ambassador for this video. So everything I say is my opinions and it's coming out from my heart. So I ordered 3 silver bangles, 3 gold bangles, and then a Ladybugs and Friends bangles. I'm not sure if they're all in here or if they're like one by one. They actually came really fast and I'm really surprised. I thought it was gonna take like another week, but it's here today. I ordered them about a week ago. If you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on my post notifications so you know whenever I upload a new YouTube video. I'm so excited to open this, so without further ado, let's just get started. This is the package. It's just like a regular bubble mailer with her sticker on. We're gonna open it. I'm gonna grab scissors and I'll be back. So I have scissors and we're just gonna cut off the top. Okay, so when we first open it, oh my gosh. Okay, so it has all of them. These are beautiful. And it also has like a little card. It just says Pretty Girl Bangles and Accessories, www.prettygirlbangles, and Instagram Pretty Girl Bangles. So go shop with them. We're gonna open these up. Hold on, I'm gonna do my thumbnail. We're gonna go ahead and open it up. And all you have to do is like pull it open or whatever. Oh my gosh, these are beautiful. Okay, so it has this little, it has like their logo thing. So I'm gonna go and cut this off real quick. We're gonna start off with the Ladybug and Friends bangles. The first charm is this blue ladybug. And then there's a pink, green, and blue dragonfly next, right there. And then there's a regular ladybug as well. And it's just on a silver bangle. This one's really cute because it's adjustable. So if your wrist is bigger than this, then it's still gonna fit. And the next one from the Ladybugs and Friends has the red ladybug again. It also has another one of the dragonflies. And finally, it has this like little cute frog. This set is so cute. I'm so excited that I got this. I'm like really proud. Look at that. This is beautiful. I love this so much. This was a great purchase. I think it was only like 12 bucks as well. When I ordered this, I actually did it on her 20K sale. So it was like half off. So I got all these for a really good price. The next ones I'm gonna show you is the silver bangles. I got 3 of these because I need my wrists to be stacked. So we're gonna go one by one. This is what one of them looks like. They're like all pretty small, but they're like really cute. So you know they're not like that out there, but they are at the same time. What? There's, this one is the moon with a heart. It has a star and something else on it. I'm not 100% sure what this is. Next, there is a seahorse. And then there's a bone. Oh, but this is really cute. I'm gonna just put all these on because they're really cute. Next set. This one has the sun with the little face on it. Next, it has another dog bone. And then I think this is, I believe this is the moon. Either the moon or like another half of the sun, which is like also really cute. And then the last one on this is like a leaf. But yeah, so this is what this one looks like. Also really pretty. I love how there's like different charms on it, because like, yeah, there's like, she does some that are like themed, but then the fact that there's like so much, like a wide variety of different things is really cute. Now we're gonna go to the last silver bangle. This is another update of what our wrist is looking like. The first one is, I believe it's like, I'm not too sure what this one is. Next thing we have is the sun. And then we have the moon with like some type of bunny thing on it. There's a flower right here. It's like with the other one, but the flower's right here. Lastly, we have this like little shooting star type of thing. But we're gonna put this one on as well. Also, the quality of this is like immaculate. Like, I know that they're not gonna break on me. This is what the wrists look like. They're gonna look so filled in a second. Now we're going on to the Ooh. Now we're going on to the gold bangles. So these ones have some color in it, and I actually really love that. That's so pretty. I mean, I love these silver ones as well, but these are beautiful. The first one we have is this pineapple. Okay. Next, there's like this little heart lock type of thing with the teal. Next, I'm not too sure what that is, but it's the pink one. And then we have like this little pattern thing. And finally, we have a little acorn right there. Now we have this 4-leaf clover. We have this pineapple, this umbrella, this really, really pretty blue star, and it has like a lining of gold on it. This cloud, it has a face on it. I'm not sure if you can see that. And finally, a little tassel. That's really cute. The tassel like pulls it all together. And now our last one, I'm definitely gonna be buying again. I already know that. This one starts off with like this pearl type of thing with a little bow on top. Next is this double cherry charm type of thing. And then this like little diamond. This one's a really pretty leaf. And this is like the cat. So this is what the wrists look like. They are filled. I love this so much. Obviously, I wouldn't wear the gold with the silver just because it kind of clashes. But these are all really, really pretty. So we're going to start off with the quality. We're going to be rating everything 1 out of 10. And I give these a 10 out of 10. I love these, like the charms. Like they don't feel flimsy or anything. Like they don't feel like I can bend them and break them and stuff like that. And also with like the bangle themselves, they do feel really, really sturdy. Next, we're going to go on with the comfortability, or how comfortable it is. I give it a 9 out of 10. The only thing is when you're putting it on, it is a little tight. But once it's on your wrist, there's like all this room. And it's like really light and comfortable, and I don't think it's gonna bug me at all. Next, I'm gonna rate how they look and like what charms are on here and all that. I also give that a 10 out of 10. I feel like you did such a good job on deciding what charms are gonna go on the bangles. And finally, I'm gonna rate it 1 out of 10 if I would buy again. I'm gonna give that a 12 out of 10 because I know for sure I'm going to be buying as soon as I get more money. These are beautiful and I am excited to buy them again. I probably will buy one of your charm bracelets next because those are also really nice. But if you guys want to buy from her, make sure to shop at prettygirlbangles.com and make sure that you keep up with her Instagram so you know exactly when she restocks, because trust me, they go out fast. But if you like this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Go subscribe if you haven't already, and make sure to turn on my post notifications so you know whenever I upload a YouTube video. Without further ado, that is the end of the video. I really hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!